In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use ClickUp Slack integration. So let's get started. So here we are on the ClickUp, and from here to integrate with Slack, we need to go here into the left menu, click on More, and then go into Integrations. And from here, you just simply need to click here on Slack. It's already featured in here. If you can find it for some reason, you can go here into the search bar and type in Slack, click on Slack, and click here on Connect. And from here, you would need to sign in to your Slack account right here. So you would need to sign into your workspace. And in here, you just need to click here on Connect. And from here, you would want to click here on Allow. And basically, you just need to go and click here on Done. And then as you can see, it is now connected. And from here is that you will now be able to sync your Slack into your ClickUp. So now it is integrated. And from here, you could see that it could also import your Slack task into your ClickUp right here if you'd want to. So this is where you could do that. You could upload, or you could go for an API if you'd want. So that is if you'd want to do that. And then let's go back into the integration here in Slack. And from here, you could sync ClickUp activity into the channels in Slack. You can click here and add, and then you could add the space that you would want to integrate or sync into Slack. Let's say from here in the management, I'm going to go click here in general, and then it will now be added. And then you could also go for ClickUp notifications. So you can receive ClickUp notifications in Slack if you'd want. And in here, you could go here into Slack right here under notifications, under integrations, click on manage settings. And then here, you can go for the task comments. You can choose what kind of notifications you'd want to receive, like the status changes, task assigned to me, descriptions. And then once you're done, click on save once you've selected the notifications that you'd want. Now let's go back into Slack right here. And then now, this time, we'll be going into the workspace. So in here, you can create a workspace connection. So this is where you'd be able to connect your workspace. You can click or connect, and then you could add a new workspace if you'd want to. In my case, I'll just pass on doing that. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to integrate your Slack into ClickUp. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.